Macadamia nuts. Who does not just love that expensive nut? It's been made popular in Hawaii, but it has actually originated in Australia. Hi, my name is Jeff, and welcome to the Tropical Garden Guy channel. Today we're going to take a look at a new macadamia nut tree I just recently purchased, and I will show how I plant it. But first, if you like this channel, make sure to hit the like, the subscribe button, the notification bell. Comments and questions, leave them in the comment section below. I do my best to get back to everybody with their comments and questions. So let's take a look at the macadamia nut tree I just recently got in the mail. So I've been looking for a macadamia nut tree to plant in my Modesto Zone 9B garden. I used to have one many years ago. And then I seen Aaron from Rivers of Provision Nursery had one listed on Facebook. I dropped him a quick DM, and sure enough, he had a bunch of them. Only $100 including shipping to California. And sure enough, he sent it to me. And it only took 3 days. It was only $100 including inspection and everything to California. What a deal. Now, must admit, I'm a little leery about purchasing plants over the internet and having them shipped to me because of the last 3, only 2 did I receive in any plantable fashion. But Aaron at Rivers of Provision looks like he did a really good job packing this thing. And look how huge it is. The tree comes up to my chin. And the UPS, it was the United States Postal Service, only took 3 days from Florida. What a deal, what a deal. Now, I was pleasantly surprised when I opened the box up and seen how healthy it was. No broken branches. The soil wasn't all spilled out all over the place. As you can see, this macadamia nut tree is in really healthy condition. It's labeled H10. I've never heard of that type of macadamia, but that's the variety he had, so that's the type I'm going to try out. So as we can see, he wrapped the root ball in plastic real tightly. It appears he took the pot off, but just wrapped the roots in soil in plastic. And yeah, here's a certification that he certifies that it was good to come into California. Let's just try to remove this plastic. You can see the roots are filled in that root ball, so I'm fairly confident that it'll transplant fairly easy. And here it is again. As you can see, this guy is just very healthy for a macadamia. I'm potting it up in just regular old Miracle-Gro potting soil mix, added with some extra perlite and dampened. I always dampen my potting soil before I add it to my pot because it's hard to wet sometimes once you get it into the pot unless you pre-dampen it. Normally I would mix up my regular avocado mix for this, but it's only going to be in the pot for a short period of time. Once it reroots and recovers from the transplant shock of going through the mail, I will be transplanting this into the ground. And I'll do a video on that. As you can see, this thing is really a sharp tree. So here it is, all potted up and ready to go in the semi-shade. I will be keeping it there probably for about a month or 2 till the roots fill in this 3-gallon pot, and then I'm going to take it back out and plant it into my yard. For those of you that don't know, I used to have a very large macadamia nut tree in my front yard where my Wilma avocado is currently at. Now that tree started producing so many nuts, they were falling all over my brand new truck, and it just had to go. Could not have a macadamia nut tree in that location. So I've been wanting to get a macadamia nut tree ever since then, and I'll be planting it in my yard well away from where the cars are all parked at and everything like that. So yeah, my previous variety was a Beaumont macadamia nut tree, and it took quite a bit of cold once it was established. Probably when it was young like this size, it would get damaged below 30 or so a little bit, but once established, it took
24, 25 degrees.
That was simple enough. My name is Jeff. If you like this type of video, make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, the notification bell, and come on back. I'll be doing many more videos, follow-ups on this macadamia nut tree and all the tropical fruit trees I have growing here in Modesto, California, Zone 9B. You have a wonderful day.